Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm so excited to be sharing a product release video for the Tree Tops and Trimmings holiday release. Today we'll be taking a closer look at the brand new Mistletoads stamps and dies. Mistletoads is a 3x4 stamp set containing 6 stamps total. It was illustrated by Christine Black. This die set coordinates with the Mistletoads 3x4 stamp set and will cut out all 6 sentiments and images in the stamp set. And that's one of my favorite things about this. Not only is the image absolutely adorable, but you have dies to match each of the pieces, including the 2 sentiments. I just absolutely love when we do that. So here's a look at all of those images stamped and die cut out. And now let's take a look at a card I made using this stamp set with its coordinating dies. So much fun, and you can color those toads in so many different ways. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other projects that the rest of the design team made. Amazing stuff here. And be sure to check out the Trinity Stamps blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you have an amazing day.